Hi everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, this is about the OPI Infinite Shine 3-step system. My god, what a mouthful. Anyway, so I actually don't really paint my nails myself that often. We are in a lockdown in Sydney and very bored me decided to grab this and give it a go. So I thought this is the perfect opportunity to share this with you guys so you can understand from someone who has no idea what they're doing, how to paint their nails properly, if this works or not, and if it's worth picking up or not. So I will be reading a few points off my phone as well, just so I give you the accurate, things that it does and descriptions. I always like to try and be as accurate as possible. But for reference, so this is the Infinite Shine number 1. So this is the primer. So that's exactly what it looks like there. OPI, I absolutely love their packaging. I always have, and it is one of those brands that, no, I don't really paint my nails, but if I do, it's usually with an OPI color, just because I like how long lasting they usually are. So I'm excited that they've created this new system that will last even longer. So I guess when you think about it, when you put makeup on, you use a primer. When you paint a house, you use a primer. Like, it only sort of makes complete sense that there is a primer as well for your nail polish. So yeah, I do like that. So what it says about this product, so I just also wanted to put it out there. What it says, to start with, it's important to know that the Infinite Shine is a cross between our original lacquer and a gel color formula applied using the 3 steps, and there's no LED light required. So I really like that you're basically getting gel nails, but you don't need all the different lights or really specific products to actually achieve that. Now when it says when the 3-step process is applied correctly, your manicure should last up to 11 days, which I will get into shortly. The manicure will be dry to the touch in 5 minutes and completely dry within 20 minutes. Now I might just go through these and give you my opinions and then show you the result. So yes, I actually did find this dry super quick, and can I just say, when I put the color on, I actually put it on quite thick and probably 3 coats, and I was like, this is not gonna dry, but it actually did. So 100%, if you're after a quick drying manicure, this process, it surprised me how quick it actually did dry. So yes, you have to shake the bottle. Yes, of course. I feel like with any nail polish, that is super important. It also says the primer is super important. So when you use a darker nail color, it actually won't stain your nails. So I really like that they've thought of that as well, because yes, nail polish does peel and come off to a certain extent, but yes, your nails actually can get stained from darker colors. So they've really thought about the consumer, I believe. This can actually also be applied to acrylic nails, which is amazing, particularly in the world we are living at right now in a lockdown. I understand that, you might chip your nails, and if you have acrylics, or you can apply acrylics yourself, amazing. You can actually use this on acrylic, so love that. Okay, so with those fun facts, so my honest opinion on using this product, I found it really easy to put the primer on. It really felt a bit cold, to be honest, on my nail. But, obviously that's not an issue at all. So I really liked how easy this was. And obviously you don't need to be super careful with this because it is clear. However, you do need to try and get your whole nail, because if you don't get right to the edges, you might have some issues that I have encountered, but I will get to that shortly as well. Now the color that I have is the 280, I think it is. and it's called Bubble Bath. So this is what it looks like. Again, packaging, really, really love it. And that's just the name there. So again, I really like the applicator for this as well. It says to put on 2 thin layers. I found that didn't really work for me. I actually used a lot thicker layers, which is when coming back to, I'm surprised that it dried as quick as it did, because the layers I put on were thick, like honestly so thick. But dried, and then I put on the number 3, which is the gloss. And this, they don't have like actual names. This is just the Pro Stay Top Coat. That's what it looks like underneath. And then that is it there, if it's not reflecting. So I just want to put it out there that I have no idea what I'm doing properly. This is what my nails look like, if that focuses. So it's a super neutral color, to be honest. Very shiny, and it actually does feel like gel. I do have on this finger, if you can see if it focuses, so on the very end I did touch it before it dried, so there is a little bit of a crease. Now I've had this on for about 8 days now. Now I wasn't going to film this video, but I thought, no, I will share this with you because I think it is a great product. So from 8 days, I do have a little chip on the side of that nail. I'm so bad with these angles, I'm so sorry. And also a little chip on the very end of that nail near here, if you can see that. But overall, I'm actually really impressed with how it does look. I don't know the best way to show you if that's working. But yeah, would I recommend it? Yes. How you purchase this, so you can purchase in Australia these two, so the primer, base coat and the top coat for $32. I've seen this in Maya, and then you just pick the color that you're after. So I think these nail polishes are about $20 to $30, and they are actually really easy to find as well, which I really love. But yeah, really, really great color range as well, which is always great, so they will suit anyone's aesthetic. But yeah, has lasted great. I am not one of these people that worry about if my nails get chipped or not, so I'm not like babying them or anything at all. So they have lasted, as I said, about 8 days. It says 11, but it could be simply also because I didn't get the primer on right, I'm not sure. But if you have used this system, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.